The 2022 Constitution Challenge winners, students of Duavata Secondary School, Votualevu High School, and Central College Lautoka, distinguished guests. I welcome you all to the State House, especially to the students. On the 19th of August this year, 2022, our constitutional challenge was launched, where I urged all Fijians, children and youth to participate in sharing what they felt of the constitutional right to clean and healthy environment and what it means to them. Now, we are meeting here at the State House to host you, the winners of our constitutional challenge, for a lunch as well as celebrate Fiji's progressive constitution that enshrines the common and equal citizenry for all Fijians. To the winners, congratulations on your win, and I must thank you and your parents, teachers, and school for their respective support in ensuring that your submissions were written, choreographed, recorded, and sent in. Your submissions has echoed Fiji's constitutional environmental protections through the artistic and the creatively innovative forms. As the patron of the Fiji Arts Council, I am proud to see that we have a young generation that uses art to relay the important message that is relevant to climate change action and environmental protection. My simple message is for you to continue to create and showcase the talent and the imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, to you the winners, in conclusion, I wish to thank the acting Prime Minister, the Minister for Economy, Civil Service, Communications, Housing and Community Development, the Honorable Aisea Kayum, the Permanent Secretary for Education, Heritage and Arts, Dr. Jokan, the Permanent Secretary for Civil Service, Ms. Susan Kiran, for providing a platform that allows all Fijians, children and youth to explore creative ways to communicate their sentiments and thoughts on the very real and relevant topic of climate change and environmental protection in the Our Constitution 2022 Challenge. To you, the winners, congratulations on your winning submissions, and I hope you will continue to share with your friends, families, and communities the message you have shared. With those few words, again, Matevakaloloma for your contribution.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.